New tonight, the man charged in the death of Detroit synagogue leader Samantha Woll was in court today for a probable cause hearing.
Michael Jackson Bolanos was charged last month for fatally stabbing Woll inside her home in Detroit's Lafayette Park neighborhood. Prosecutors say it happened during a home invasion.
Gino Vici joins us from the 36th District Court in Detroit with more on what his attorney is now saying about the case.
Well, I spoke to the attorney for Michael Jackson Bolanos, who says he believes police got the wrong guy again. Of course, there was one person of interest taken into custody weeks after Woll's body was discovered and then later released. Brian Brown is Jackson Bolanos' attorney. I spoke with him today. He believes, based on what he's seen so far, the evidence against his client is weak. 28-year-old Michael Jackson Bolanos is charged with fatally stabbing prominent Jewish leader Samantha Woll. According to court records, Woll was stabbed 8 times inside her home in Lafayette Park on October 21st. Her body was found outside her home. Prosecutors allege the killing stems from a botched home invasion. In the weeks after the murder, a person of interest was taken into custody and then released a few days later. Then several weeks ago, Jackson Bolanos was taken into custody.
I really feel that they got the wrong individual.
I spoke to his attorney, Brian Brown, today, who says he's not in receipt of all the evidence yet, but what he's seen so far appears to be circumstantial at best.
I feel at the end of this case that the evidence will prove and show that my client is innocent of the allegations.
Prosecutors argue there is a lot more evidence which will be laid out during the next court date, and some of that evidence is something the defense hasn't seen yet. There are also other pieces of evidence already submitted, like a jacket owned by Jackson Bolanos that was found to have Woll's blood on it. That's according to police. During today's probable cause hearing, prosecutors say they're working on delivering even more.
One is a compilation video that I intend to present, and the second is a phone mapping report that's being prepared by the FBI right now.
Meanwhile, Jackson Bolanos is expected to be back inside of a 36th District Court January 16th for a preliminary hearing, and prosecutors say in that hearing they expect to call at least a dozen witnesses in this case. In Detroit, Gino Vici, CBS News, Detroit.